We are really happy to be here this time at CPM because CPM is a very important show for Turkey, for Turkish exhibitors, and we have 51 brands this time from Turkey, and we are privileged to say that Turkey has the biggest international participation in CPM show this time. This season we are here, our exhibitors are here to meet with their existing buyers, plus they are looking for new buyers for their collections. And CPM is actually providing that ecosystem for our exhibitors. That's why many of our exhibitors are existing exhibitors at CPM show. Our sales were sold out quickly from Turkey, and hopefully for next season we will have many more companies who are going to exhibit at CPM show from Turkey. It is our second day at the show, and from the first day what we hear from our brands, they are happy. They get good feedbacks from their buyers who are visiting their booths, and they are happy to have a chance to meet with their buyers in these crazy times under this pandemic and at a physical show. So it's a very privilege, so it's a very important thing for us, for our exhibitors.